Hi everyone. Today we are very happy to demonstrate the wiring and test of Phenix Cold Pack LED emergency driver 184300X6VV with an AC LED luminaire through this video. Before wiring, please make sure that you have following the basic components: a 184300X6VV LED emergency driver and a LED luminaire. The 184300X6VV is an IP66 listed product which can provide a LED outdoor luminaire, the emergency backup power under extreme temperatures, without changing the original wiring of the luminaire. Please note that all the installation, testing and maintenance must be performed by qualified electricians. Make sure all electrical connections conform to the National Electrical Code and all applicable local regulations. The accessories here, such as the luminaire, cables, connectors, switches, and etc., meet the UL standards. For your safety, make sure that the AC power is disconnected before all the wiring steps are complete. Now, let's start with the load connections. We connect the red wire of the emergency driver to the L of the LED luminaire, and connect the blue wire of emergency driver to the N of the LED luminaire. And then we connect the emergency drivers, red and black wire to one black wire together. Next, we make the input power connections. We connect the blue and black wire to the white wire of the emergency driver, and then connect to the mains common line. And connect the green, yellow wire of the emergency driver to the ground of the LED luminaire, and then connect to the mains ground line. Then we connect the other black wire of the emergency driver to one live wire of the wall switch, and keep the switch in the OFF state. Connect the black, orange wire of the emergency driver to the other live wire of the wall switch, and then connect to the mains hot line. And then we connect the LED test switch LTS to the emergency driver. Connect the yellow wire of LTS to yellow wire of emergency driver. And then connect the yellow, black wires of the LTS and emergency driver together. Finally, let's connect the unique connectors to make the battery connected. That's it. The wiring of 184300X6VV and AC LED luminaire is complete. The wiring diagram of the 184300X6VV is also applicable to the 184300X2, 3, 4, 5VV. Please refer to the complete wiring diagram above. Welcome back. Now, we'll show you the proper operation and manual test procedures to confirm if the wiring is correct. Please make sure that it is operated by a qualified electrician, and the necessary safety measures shall be taken to prevent electric shock. When the AC power is switched on, the luminaire is in the normal mode and powered by the mains power. Through the wall switch, you can control the luminaires off and on. Now the LED test switch LTS is blinking slowly, which means the battery is being charged. After the battery is fully charged, the LTS is long bright. In case of AC power failure, the luminaire will switch to emergency mode automatically. At this time, the luminaire will be powered by the battery, and the LTS is off. When the AC power is restored, the luminaire will switch back to normal mode automatically and resume charging the battery. The 184300X6VV features auto test for automatic initial, monthly, and annual testing. At the same time, we can conduct manual testing through LTS. In the normal mode, a short emergency test can be simulated by the LTS after the battery has been charged for at least 1 hour. Press the LTS once to force a 10-second emergency test. After 10 seconds, the Luminaire will return to its normal mode automatically. Press the LTS twice continuously within 3 seconds to force a 60-second monthly test. After 60 seconds, the Luminaire will return to its normal mode automatically. When the battery is fully charged in the normal mode, press the LTS 3 times continuously within 3 seconds to force a 90-minute annual test. After 90 minutes, the Luminaire will return to its normal mode automatically. When the Luminaire is in the test mode, the LTS will be in a gradual changing breathing state. During any manual test, press and hold the LTS more than 3 seconds to terminate a manual test. Okay, these are the general operation and testing procedures for 1843X6VV with the AC LED Luminaire. For further questions, please refer to the 1843X6VV instruction manual or contact us for tech support. You can also consult more Phenix emergency kits on our website at phenixemergency.com. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.